For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The DJI Mavic 3 is a drone I've personally flown multiple times, and I can say from experience it's built for creators who demand both quality and reliability. With its 4 of 3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, you're getting professional-grade imaging with a 12.8 stop dynamic range that really holds up in harsh lighting. I've shot footage during golden hour and bright midday sun, and it handled both effortlessly, keeping shadows and highlights well balanced. Whether you're filming commercial work or capturing travel content, this sensor lifts your production quality. It's rated to fly up to 30 kilometers and as high as 6,000 m, and I've tested it in various terrains, from coastal winds to cooler elevations. With 46 minutes of max flight time, you can stay airborne longer and focus more on your shot than your battery life. I remember one morning shoot where I flew multiple takes on a single charge, didn't need to swap batteries once. It saved time and let me keep creative momentum. Safety-wise, the omnidirectional obstacle sensing is a feature I wouldn't fly without anymore. It's picked up tree branches and poles I didn't notice in real time. It's a huge confidence boost when flying in dense or unfamiliar areas. One of the things I appreciate most is the 15 km video transmission range with the O3 Plus transmission system. Whether flying over open fields or busy urban areas, the live feed remains stable and smooth, no lag or signal dropouts even when I push the range. The Advanced Return to Home (RTH) feature is more than just a failsafe, it's smart. It recalculates the safest route based on the current environment, and I've used it both when testing low battery warnings and when visibility was getting bad. Every time, it got the drone back with zero stress. The Mavic 3 is also FAA Remote ID compliant, which is something professionals and hobbyists alike should be aware of. It helps you stay on the right side of the rules. Built to perform in temps between -10 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and wrapped in a sleek gray finish, this drone isn't just about looks, it's ready for real-world use. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or tech enthusiast, this drone brings a serious mix of performance, safety, and regulatory compliance.